Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, I can officially tell you this: all tracks and the official juggling rhythm, Gaza Nation juggling rhythm, on the Sharp Bass music label has been mixed and mastered. Yes, all tracks are officially mixed and mastered. Vybz Kartel himself has announced this, viewers and subscribers. Now, me hear the nation and make a statement, and me go put it to the world for real. Shorty deserve producer for the year, and if you even want to make it gender specific, I agree with producer for the year, which me doubt, cause 2 Billboard accredited albums in our short production career. Big up Shorty. Just start do the thing officially, and so I go on. And when we make this statement, a producer is different from an engineer. So who wants to say, but wait, I never she make the rhythm, I never she. A producer is not necessarily an engineer. There are engineers who are producers, but being an engineer is not a required qualification for being a producer. Just to put that out there. But even if you don't say male producer of the year, you have to say female producer of the year. You name another female in the business currently where I do it on the level where Shorty I do it. Nobody else right now. And we know the people must say them I look forward to the music videos. Just calm now. Just calm now. Just calm on yourself. Make sure you now check out the tracks. Little Vybz have a track out there already. Yeah, Megan can't see it. Go and check it out. Vybz Kartel, it's a sin, the music video out. Make sure now check it out. The biggest collaboration dancehall has seen for 2020. Squash, Vybz Kartel, and of course Chronic Law, produced by Shabdan Records. Make sure say una check it out. Work, and then we idle after. You know when the teacher bring lyrical content, when the teacher put out lyrical content, you know the effects of that, viewers and subscribers. Vivid picture painted. Squash do a good job too. Always I do a phenomenal job when they hear Squash and a Vybz Kartel. Anytime I hear Squash and Vybz Kartel, even if I don't hear the track, I just hear the track I found out, I look forward to seeing big things in the music industry. You know what I mean? Because here I notice people are talking about the crossover sound, the crossover vibe, the crossover this, the crossover that. You can still cross over into other genres or other markets while still retaining your dancehall style. And Squash and Vybz Kartel has proven that time and time again. Chronic Law. You know when you say Chronic Law, you expect what? Lyrics. And the artist did deliver. Big track. Make sure someone check it out. You know there's something going already. Now, Skillibeng. Yes, Skillibeng has responded to the whole controversy that's taking place in his personal life. I won't never make no child panic. I don't know the personal situation. It is what it is. What take place. Smart individual. Him do what I would expect any celebrity to do faced with that situation. Now, him answer what take place in the media. And him wise. Him take a page from Vybz Kartel book, which was a wise style. Put it in the music. Put it in the music. And him simply say, vlogger, if you don't want to make dollars, vlog bow skilly. Him never have a problem with it. Enough artists, well, a few, we're not going to really name call, but being a celebrity a public figure, you have to know the things that transpire even in your personal life will make the news. How will you react to that? You're gonna make it a big deal, or you're gonna just move forward with your life and your career? That would be the wise step. Because as a public figure, as a celebrity, people want to know what's going on with you. So what you gonna do? When certain things were, maybe it was a personal matter, you don't really want the world to know, or you don't want it to become a topic of discussion for any and everybody. But it is what it is, being a celebrity. If you buy a new shoes, a new car, a new house, it will become a topic of discussion. So you have to just know how to handle that, being a public figure. If you don't want to live that life, then don't become an entertainer. Don't do music. Because as long as you have fans or a fan base, them are going to want to know what's going on with you. Sometimes even the haters want to know what's going on with you to see them speed. So that's one of them things there. Skillibeng, definitely an artist, so I can say this. He might represent for the younger generation, but in a way we respect. Because he also show respect. Now for these young youth, forward in the industry, or even forward in the streets, just left high school, and it's like the show. What name? The show with Wesley Snipes. When G Money go to the Rastaman and tell him, say, yo, Rastaman, your services are no longer required. And Mama put out the thing through the window and blow the Rastaman brains out. It's almost like them want forward, fresh from school, fresh from whatever them do. Forward in any industry, them forward now, whether it be the streets or the music industry. And them just want to tell some other people, say, yo, you want them spot. And that's the thing, though. This is not the movies. And if you know the name of that movie, there, drop it in the comment section. But this is not the movies. This is real life. You have to put in the work to gain the respect and the notoriety and the popularity. You see, artists will set them career have been receiving over the years. Them put in the work, them grow them fan base. People know them and know them for what them are bring to the industry. You can't just forward in the game right now and go on like you want disrespect the people them who set it. It no work so. Skilly say him forward in the game and him happy and proud to be a part of a strong warrior monarchy full of be a top artists. You know the thing go. And when you give respect, people will respect you. And Skillibeng has paid his respects to Vybz Kartel, an artist that has inspired him and many others, even the ones who refuse to say the teacher has inspired them. So on that basis alone, I respect Skilly. Know what I mean? I won't talk about the musical content. Him sound different. He might bring something unique to the table. Other people are trying to sound like other people. Even though Vybz Kartel inspire him so much. He never forward out and I say I try use the teacher image. He never try recycle the teacher lyrical content. I am gonna try sound like the teacher. No. The teacher inspire him for do create him own style and bring him own unique vision to the music industry. Yo, as an artist, I like to see when young artists forward in the game. And them now just say, alright, we have lyrics. It's not just about lyrics. It's about the emotion we are conveying in the music. You have to study music to know these things. Cadence of voice. People as I talk about flow, I continue to talk about cadence of your voice. If your voice too light, certain lyrical content now go even sound right from your voice. So you have to have a certain cadence when you sing about a certain subject matter. As you skill say, some of them artists are don't grimy. And if you listen to the music and the lyrical content that them put out, lifestyle, them live, the way they dress, the way they move, you realize it's a reality. Them youth here, them don't grimy. And just an image where them are try to portray to the media. Sometimes they even to the public, just to the media. Because when you see them on the streets, you realize about wait, them youth are shaky for real. But in the media, they will talk the most things, paint a vivid picture of a lifestyle that they have never ever lived. But talk to me in the comment section. You know what I mean? As I'm say, all tracks and the Avengers juggling rhythm has been mixed and mastered. Yes, and it will be released this month. Sharp boss, hey, shout out to the production label that do extremely well, mama. Don't take no talk from nobody. Producer for the year. And a Gaza Nation say that. As I said, the comment section is open. And first and foremost, if you like the reasoning, like the point of view, but you just a pass through. Well, I suggest to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the tweet, drop a like on the vlog for me like we're here, and it is in close proximity to the share icon. Share the vlog. Some people can still go on. Comment section over 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts and comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Our move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. Live, love, and prosper until we reason again.